Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather upholstery. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.